Just went to the dentist in Uri. Look how beautiful. It's a nice day, but it's windy. Here's Reese. We are going to... What are we gonna do? We're gonna go to the up shop. And then we're gonna eat something. Look at me, Storm. We can eat at the cafe or anywhere. There's like so many places now. And we just came back from the op shop. We didn't get anything. It's very windy outside, isn't it, Storm?
Yeah, it is.
We're gonna go to Storm's favorite store.
Thorpe's.
All the way down there. Hey, we're going to another op shop. Storm, do a fit check. Go in front and do a fit check. Go, say your outfit.
Necklace. That's my name. LeBron James jersey and a black shirt under and pants and shoes.
Alright, you suck at that. Found Reese. I bet she was looking at the... Oh, I thought she was looking at the crystals.
What are you gonna use?
Why would you need that?
Oh, you can make a necklace out of these.
Out of a glass jar?
Yeah.
Floral foam. I want to buy one.
What's that?
Squeeze it. It's like what they use to do ASMR.
White. We're making butterfly and crunchy slime.
We're making what?
Butterfly slime and crunchy slime.
No. We're making butter slime and crunchy slime.
Get the bigger one. Kids glue. Really?
Bruh.
I will go though.
I mean, you're paying. My bad, we already started eating. Grace got sourdough toast in. Me and Storm are sharing a chicken Caesar baguette and some waffles with berry puree and ice cream. What do you rate the baguette?
7.
7 out of 10. What about you? Huh?
7.
Yeah, I think these waffles are 7. They're a bit sweet, but it's quite yummy.
Hi.
Guess what we're doing? I don't know why it was such a journey to find. Guess what's in here?
Cool.
Grimace shake. Drinking a grimace shake, then making slime gone wrong. Who wants to try first?
Please.
Okay, go Storm. Official grimace shake review moment. Oh my god, can I stop talking, please?
What should I do? The container.
How do you feel?
Tastes like medicine.
Oh.
Really?
It smells like medicine, like grape medicine. I'm gonna guess it's grape flavor.
Tastes like medicine.
Smells like Panadol.
Yeah, like kids Panadol.
Can you try it? Tastes like medicine.
It tastes like medicine. This is horrible.
Actual?
Yeah. This is horrible. I'm so bad. Don't go to small. Try it.
I don't.
Just
It's
try
medicine,
it.
but
It
It
tastes
tastes good.
like medicine. Wait, what's happening to me?
Oh.
Yeah, it's so good. We're making slime. Wait, Storm, let's do a bowl. Hey, look in right now.
We need to scoop to make it. Do we use a
Okay, we went to Thorpe's and we got slime stuff. If you couldn't tell when you were pointing at it. Show what you... Excuse me.
It's so hot.
Clear glue.
Glue.
Glue. Decoration fillers. We're doing crunchy and butter slime. Just like
Modeling
sauce.
clay.
Okay, Storm, do you wanna? Are you gonna do the clear one?
What if this doesn't work?
I wanna make the crunchy slime.
Yeah, that's with the clear.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
All
go.
of it. All of it.
All of it.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
You have to do this before that I get home.
She doesn't get home until 3:40.
Okay,
And then I know.
go do it.
How much?
I feel like Karina and Roland.
Yeah, same.
Is this
Is that enough for you?
all
All of it. You
All
have to
of
do
it.
Should I do all of this? Butter just too hot.
I don't know. Do all of it. Oh my god, that's making me nervous.
Smells good.
Wait, did we not put anything else in here?
What else do you put?
I don't know. Now we just have to activate it. Should we get like lotion or something?
What?
You have to put lotion to make it stretchy.
No, that's water. Water. You put water.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
No, it's
I'll put
not.
water in mine.
What?
Oh, why did it do that?
Why did it go back in?
What the heck?
Kids glue. This is not the slime glue. Does that matter?
I've never seen glue like that in my life.
Oh no.
It smells like regular glue. Storm.
Is Storm slime glue?
Yeah.
No,
No.
there's no slime glue. What are you talking about? Oh, you have to activate it
Okay, put it
a little bit. Okay, let's just add a little bit.
on. Do it. I don't want to do it.
There's no one here. Okay, now mix it
Come on.
with this first.
With your hands.
And then see if it comes together.
Is it?
Maybe. Do you have to? Wait. I feel like I don't even know how to make slime now.
Cause you're.
Oh yeah, it is. Free stop.
Why?
Because it was coming
coming.
together.
We want a stronger concentration, so we'll have to use more. Why does it look so tall?
I don't know. I think it's the edges.
You should put water, I'm telling you.
Hey, but why though? What does it do? I know lotion makes it stretchy.
Who said that?
Oh, that's like the hack. Like you know, like
I think. Yeah, just all of it.
No.
all of this.
No.
Yes, that's
You're
fine.
gonna ruin my slime.
Then put it in
What
mine.
does it
Put it
do
in hers.
then?
Put it in hers.
All of
What
it.
is that? Oh, I thought it was like all borax. That's a lot of water. Okay, wait. Maybe we have to add water.
Hello. Silence.
I'm busy.
Well, watch out. You don't want to get it. Oh,
Do you
hell
want to do?
no.
Actually, I want
I
to.
think you should do it on yours, not on Storm's.
Oh. Why do I have to?
Can I touch it?
Touch it.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. Why did I do that?
More?
It's red.
It's not even slime yet. What do you mean there?
Can I use some of your clear glue? You used all of it.
You
That's
told me to
literally
use
what
all
you
of
said
it.
8 times. Oh, it's just like clumpy. Is it because of the borax?
Oh shoot.
Maybe we didn't do enough borax.
That's what I'm saying. You're like, it's forming. It's forming. It's forming.
That's what I-
It's because we added freaking water.
Yeah. Look.
Progress review. Oh, hell no.
That looks like cloud
That looks
slime.
weird.
That looks.
That looks like cloud. That looks like bubbles.
Oh, yeah, it's got no stretch. I need lotion. Yep.
Wait.
It's got no stretch to it. Okay. Oh, yeah, see, look, now it's stretching because we had lotion.
Really?
How? Don't call me.
Oh my god, look. Look at my slime. Oh no. Look at my slime.
Oh, hell, wait.
What the F?
Oh my god, wait, put it in the thing.
Ew.
Put it on the-
No. You can't see it.
Miss, if you got a bumper, then it's
Oh
correct.
my god.
Yep.
My
Oh
slime
my
is...
god, I do. That's crazy. Wait, let me wash my hands.
My ring.
So stupid.
Wash it.
Oh.
I don't want to get that.
What? Did you hear it?
No.
It's a cat and a slime.
Oh.
What the F?
I don't want for the best.
Slime fail.
Look! Wait!
How do you save this? Oh, we need to go make an emergency run.
Go get some glue from Lewis. Like,
No.
Are you serious?
I don't want to waste the clay.
That's your fault.
Wait, what's the glue gonna do to that?
I don't know.
No, we can't because this is not sticky anymore. We can't.
She's gonna crash.
We can't add it anymore. Oh, do we actually have to? We actually have to go on an emergency run. Do I just
And get what?
glue? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Look at this one.
What?
If I slap you in the face with this, it would be so hard. Wait, listen.
You have something in your hair.
What is it?
No, I know what it is.
What?
I don't know.
The
I think
borax?
mine is. It's a borax. I told you.
I don't. I don't.
Maybe it was the borax.
I told you.
Oh my god, this is an epic fail.
Ew.
Look at this freaking slime. How do I get that? Oh my god. And look at this slime.
It looks so clear.
No, it doesn't.
This is like hard. Search
Don't
up on
like-
your phone. What? I'm doing it like how you harvest.
Bro, you're just making it into more sections.
Let's give up.
It's the same sound.
This is what's inside you. This is like little baby birds or something.
Oh my god, stop!
They multiply. Ew! You can pretend this is like me.
We should tell them to eat it. Sorry, that was weird.
Oh, I wanted to touch it. Why is it like don't touch it?
You can't even like click it. Oh, you can't even click it because it like rips under your fingers.
Ew. What about mine?
I don't want to touch yours.
Why is it not sticky anymore? It's just wet.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so wet. This is like harvesting cotton. Harvesting. What did you say?
Rubber tree.
Rubber tree.
That was before I like sliced it up into little pieces. That's so white. That's hurting my eyes.
Even if you get more glue, I think it's gonna be clear.
Ew.
I'll slap you in the face with this.
With your hands.
With my hands, yeah.
Ew. I'll literally give you all my savings if you take a bite.
No.
Sorry, if you eat this, I'll give you 100 V-Bucks.
100. It's stuck to me. No, this is good for like Halloween. Like instead of a trick or treat bowl, they just reach.
They're like, okay, like you dip, like you cover it. You need backup.
I think so.
What are you doing to that? Oh. Elmer's has magical liquid.
Oh, I don't trust their magical liquid.
Get the activator that's just for his bodies at Woolworths.
That's what you just said. One argument later, we got the glue, but she won't turn around. Okay, we're back.
We're
Did we get one?
Bro, I look stupid. Glue, clear glue, and the magic liquid because the borax.
It's fake.
Reese is making a whole new slime.
Wait, should I just not use a big bowl?
Oh yeah, you know how like people don't use bowls anymore and how they just do it on the table?
Should I?
Yeah, just do it. It's the new gen. Okay, you do it too.
What?
No more bowls.
No, Alta, I think you should.
Okay, you
Are you
use a bowl.
sure this won't stick?
Yeah. It's plastic.
Oh yeah.
Why would that stick?
I don't know.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Alta. That ain't gonna kill me.
Why you?
You.
Me?
You told it to do on the table.
Nothing is gonna nothing is gonna stick. Is it mixed in?
Oh my gosh. No.
Bro, you just have to add more magical liquid. I told you I don't trust that magical liquid.
It's working.
Why is it still on the table? Okay, do you want to mix it
Oh
in?
my god, this is not gonna come up.
Oh my goodness.
That's working.
What? It's okay.
I can't see it.
It's my hands. They're like bejeweled. Okay, well, hold on a second.
It's my slime, it's gripping the table.
What are you doing? Oh my god. Stop! You can stop moving for a second, you know, you don't have... Stop.
Wait, I'm just trying to get it off. I'm scared. I'm
Sorry,
nervous.
wait, can you wash your hands and get my iPad, please? Everyone needs to take a 5-minute break.
Mine's
I'm nervous. I can't.
Stop, Maurice, you can stop.
Wait, I'm just getting it off.
Look at your table, as your side of the table.
Yay, came together. You just made it more chaotic. You're like, oh, stop.
Because why did you keep going? You're like,
Oh! So thick and juicy. Just like I like it.
what?
Get out!
Let me try it.
Try this.
Oh, it's sticky.
No, it's not. You don't have slime hands.
Shut up.
Get out!
Can you shut up with that?
Have you heard it?
Yes.
Then why'd you laugh?
Because you're like annoying. Oh my god.
Can we put it on the table?
Yeah.
Oh,
What you
look at
doing?
it jiggle.
Stand up there.
Just like,
Whoa.
Storm!
Whoa.
You're ruining my slime. Get away.
Let me try. I want to hold it.
Just get used to it.
ASMR.
It's a bit sticky, huh?
No, it's not.
Are you
Try
sure?
it on the table.
Yeah, sure.
Give it to me. Ugh, you don't know how to handle it.
Bro.
Stop! You're killing him.
Bro.
Stop! It's not how your eyebrow piercing.
Good at what?
I don't know. You get stuck.
The glue sucks.
You ever trust therapy glue?
Starbies, your glue sucks. You do not have slime glue.
Give me the
I
clay.
can't.
Put the slime in the bag, bro.
Wait, I don't want to ruin it.
Not gonna ruin it.
Are you
Make it
sure?
better.
What if it's not white?
Because
it's like
it's-
brown. No! You're.
I thought you wanted to make it pink. Why is it like wet?
Oh,
What is this?
No, I.
Bro, what are they putting in the Furby
No,
stuff?
it went in the blue. That's why it's blue.
No, why is it wet on the inside?
Oh! Oh! Yes! Yes!
Well, guess what? You have to add this.
No, I don't
You have
want
to.
God. Oh.
Looks like ice cream.
No, come on. It's like, it's wet.
The bottom is. Okay, yellow.
Wait. Oh, yeah.
Ugh, it's hard. It's not gonna push down. It's gonna look like a shark.
Maybe you have to microwave it.
Oh my god, it's turning brown. Like me.
This is not that satisfying.
Yeah,
Mine's
maybe this is from 30s.
30
Stop
shades
making fun of
crazy.
it.
It's Sam's favorite shop, Reese.
I don't care.
Is it? Can it spread?
What about you spread your cheeks?
No one
was
said
so
anything
bad.
about spreading cheeks. Remember that? You right? Need water?
It's the 30s. Glue. Why? What happened?
Well, it's just sunglasses have a clear over here.
Oh no, Nana's
I
actually
get
gonna
it.
kill us.
Chill, chill.
Actually, that's what you said.
I know, so it's alright. That's where Nana sits, so be careful.
More clay.
You heard her.
Should we like put it on my clay or something?
Go
Nah.
down, I'm gonna get
Maybe I should knead it.
Okay.
1,000 layer clay.
Oh, it's getting sticky, y'all. Oh my god!
You want this?
One blub.
Look at my fingers. This is like real. Oh, goodness.
Nana's gonna see me. I'm gonna be here for her too. Wait, spread. Oh my god.
What?
I don't know how butter slime's supposed to feel.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stop! Oh my gosh. Look
my
what you
God.
did. Wait, you're pulling the thing like. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's coming off. Scrape it with your hand.
Alright, we're done.
And
What
the
happened?
And then end the
vlog.
video.
And the vlog. And the vlog. Let me end the vlog.
No, no, no.
Because
no.
that's it was you. Why did you start touching it when you're not supposed to?
Oh,
you
try.
Hold on, I got
my
this.
slime. Oh.
I got this, I got this, I got this.
Get rid of that. That looks weird. Wait.
Hey, it's feeling soft.
Look, it's just so
Color,
heavy.
Venom. We are Venom.
We are slime.
We are not slime. What if this tastes like a nice thing? Get it off now.
You have to replace it.
Okay, okay. I feel everyone's
Get
heart
on my
rate
head,
going
get
up.
on my head. Quick.
Nana's gonna be here in 1 hour.
That's plenty of time.
For you.
She won't even know until I post this video. Brother, can you get...
Why did you do
What are you doing?
Oh my god, he was so slow! So I just...
Can you please get it off the table?
Okay, can you please relax?
I can't. I feel nervous.
Oh my god, can we get some perfume in this bitch?
It doesn't even
It
smell.
smells so bad.
Okay. I'm gonna put the rest of this in the bin.
Sure. I never want to smell that again.
It doesn't even smell that bad.
Reese.
Maybe fluffy slime. That's so ugly.
It's like cement.
Yeah.
Like I picked it up off the ground.
It started playing with it.
Ta-da!
Oh my god, you can see like the residue.
Yeah,
Especially
because
over
it's-
here.
Okay, don't worry, we're gonna...
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Next time, let's just buy some off the internet.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
Okay, this is so badly smelling. Can I put this in a bag as well?
Get him. Stop! Oh god, I don't know.
Okay, like, it just sealed itself. It's
airtight now.